Assembling a MetroTalk rental repeater will require you to unpack 4 items: a repeater, a duplexer and cables, a power supply, and the antenna. Place the repeater on a flat surface and look at the back of the repeater. You will notice 2 connectors, one color-coded red and one color-coded green. Grab the duplexer and the 2 included cables, which are color-coded red and green. Grab the green cable and connect it to the green port of the duplexer. Now connect the other end to the green port of the repeater, followed by the red cable, which is connected to the red port of the duplexer, and then to the red port of the repeater. Now grab the power supply and place it on top of the repeater. You will notice that the power cable to the repeater will be connected. The red cable will be connected to the red connector, and the black cable will be connected to the black connector of the power supply. If during transit or by customer request the power cable is not connected to the power supply, you will have to insert the red cable into the red port of the power supply and tighten it down with a flat screwdriver, and the black cable into the black port of the power supply and tighten that down with a screwdriver until they're snug. The power cable connected to the power supply will have a silver end on it. Connect that end to the silver port of the repeater. Now grab the antenna and connect the antenna connector to the center port of the duplexer and place the antenna as high as possible. Now that the duplexer and antenna is properly connected, it's time to power up the unit. Take the AC cord and connect it to the back of the power supply. Find an AC outlet that is working and just plug it in. Now you're ready to turn the repeater on. Switch the power supply to the on position and make sure that the light glows red. If it does, the repeater should also turn on and will show you a display on the LCD screen, and you're ready to go.